Hey goddess, this is the moment when my greatest dream will come true. Deep is going to formalize our relationship, a name which is pure by its nature. But I'm really scared. I don't want this dream to be jinxed by anything. Protect my dream and keep it safe. I keep worrying that some problem may leap out at me. You have to take care of everything this time.
I don't know what Deep has planned. He drove the police away too. He can't be trusted. I must watch him.
Look at these flowers carefully. Just see they are not worried about the future at all. We should take away that lesson from them. A moment in the present is for us. It is our own. So tell me, do you like my flowery moment?
It's beautiful. But the petals are stuck in my hair and on my clothes.
It's okay. Let my arms circle you for now. But soon enough, I'll be placing a garland around your neck.
Deep.
Stop it, my dear. Please. Why are you injuring and bleeding yourself? Throw these thorns.
These thorns are not for throwing away, Mom. This garland is for Arohi. This garland of thorns will be around the neck of that Arohi because Deep will make me wear the garland of flowers with his own hands. Only me. Only his Tara. And no one else.
What are you all looking at? Do something about the situation. She's lost her mind. She's going to be ruined.
You know what, Arohi? Your smile has a tinge of fear. Did you know that? But this is the only way to nab Tara and make her confess her sins. End it all. After some years, when you'll be old and I'll also be old, we will have a great story to tell our grandchildren. You will tell them that how you traverse the stormy river of life on your own.
Deep, after the wedding, we will go away from this place. We will leave this city. And we will go to a lovely place.
No, let me go.
Just like our dreams.
No, no, let me go.
Right. Deep? What is it, Deep? Deep, what happened? Why did you get up? Are you okay?
Yes, yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay with that. I just remembered that I have lots to do. I have to go to the police for security arrangements. So I'll be right back. I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back. Chavanni,
Sir, what
Chavanni, come here. Please, can you do something for me? I need your help, but you can't tell Arohi about it, okay?
Okay, Deep sir.
Thank you. Chavanni must have told you that I want to meet you. The last time when I came to you, then I really didn't believe you then. But if your memory, which was obscured, can be revealed, that would be best. I'm serious about it. It's really important for me to know about my past.
Now you're going to the place where that incident took place, Deep. Now tell me, what is it that you see?
I can't see anything clearly.
Yes, please tell me. What do I need for the veneration? I will write it.
Materials for the oblation. Yes, of course. A sacrificial
Yes.
fire container, incense, and we'll need a lot of wood. The fire has to be a very big one.
Okay.
And there's another thing. My wife is unwell. So, my student will officiate instead of me.
But priest, how can we have the veneration without you? Say it's my student. He'll perform the rituals very well.
My student is really very good. He'll do a very good job. Don't worry at all.
Okay, priest. That's a lot of wood for veneration. I'm going to burn you and Deep alive. Be ready for it.
Tell me, what are you seeing, Deep?
Smoke. The smoke, it won't clear.
He's in a very bad shape. He may lose his mental balance. Deep, come back. Come back, please, Deep. Wake up, Deep.
Why did you wake me up? I was about to learn about my past just now.
Because you was training too hard to remember. You could have lost your mind. Your nerves of the brain could have exploded.
That would have been fine. At least I would have known what my past is all about. I was there. I was there with Arohi. No. That was Tara. But why was Tara there? In my past?
Oh no, Deep isn't back yet. What do I do? Where is he? Where did he go to? Oh God, no matter where he is, please protect him. Deep? What are you doing standing around here? I was looking for you. Where did you go?
I went to steal.
To steal?
Look at this. I went to get a ring for you, so I didn't know what to do then. I got 6 of them.
Deep, but you didn't have...
I told you. Deep and Arohi will have a grand wedding. The kind of wedding everyone will remember. That's why I choose your engagement ring after the evening veneration. Our wedding rituals will begin.
What? Are we going to start the wedding rituals from today? Deep, but...
You are eagerly waiting to invite trouble home, aren't you? Deep, you keep forgetting that you have 4 enemies scot-free outside. Virat, Roma, Tara, Dilip Singh.
Well, you're here to protect us. You never allow me to stay alone with my future wife. Arohi, I have explained why we're hosting a big party. And if you don't trust me, I will call it all off. Tell me, do you trust me? Or you don't?
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.